Hi guys, and welcome to another EV6 video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. Today I'm going to show you not only how to change the cabin air filter of your EV6, but also how to save money while doing so. And all that while still using a genuine part. Even though the Kia EV6 has been out for well over a year now in Canada, the Kia dealerships still don't carry the cabin air filter. And you have to call around maybe a dozen dealerships to find that one that does. And when you do, they want $65 Canadian plus taxes for it. At least that's what happened to me. So what I did was, I called a Hyundai dealership and asked if they had the Ioniq 5 filter, and they did, and it was priced at $35 Canadian plus taxes. That's right, almost half. Despite of both the cars being similar, I didn't want to risk it, so I removed the cabin air filter from my EV6 and went to the Hyundai dealership and asked for the Ioniq 5 filter, which the gentleman was nice enough to open the box, because it's not just a flip open. They're sealed boxes, so he was nice enough to open it, and I compared it right there and then next to each other. Perfect fit, almost half the price. So I bought it. According to the owner's manual, you're supposed to change the cabin air filter of your EV6 every 13,000 kilometers. So the first one at 13, and then 26, and then 39,000 kilometers. I'm changing mine at 34,000 kilometers. And there's no shame in admitting your mistake. I did not do this purposely. And in my defense, every single car I have had since 2008 has had scheduled maintenance reminder in your car, which gives you codes, and you know that you have to go in for service. So I'm shocked that I did not get any such indication in the EV6, prompting me to think that, you know what, I'm not doing any disservice to the car. I'll take it for service when it wants me to. Let me rephrase. I wouldn't take it to a Kia dealership for their service or their maintenance service package. Like, I'll do whatever needs to be done. For example, if the code, if it existed, said tire rotation, I'll take it to a tire shop to get the tires rotated. Or cabin air filter, I'd go buy one and change it myself, just like I am doing now. Or I did, because I'm making the video after the fact. So I kind of blame the car, and I know there is a service schedule section in the app itself, which tells you how many days and kilometers are left before the service is due. And I did see that, and I was expecting either the app to give me some sort of a notification or the car to, and that never happened. And I kept thinking that, okay, maybe because of my driving habits, because it varies, it depends on how you drive, it's taking longer. But anyways, it's essentially triggered because of the whole fires going all over the country and the air quality being bad. And I'm like, maybe I should just change my filter. And when I took it out, yeah, it was pretty bad. I'm kind of ashamed, but these videos are supposed to be all about honesty, so pop the hood. It's dirty, I know. Open this lid up, take your stuff out, whatever you have stored here. Remove this rubber mat. As you can see, it says open. You just slide it down, or you can just pull it here and then just slide it, and that's done. And there sits your air filter, and what you do is you just pinch this right here. Just grab this and pinch it, and it will just open, and there sits your air filter. The following images may be disturbing for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Which you can just, it's pretty dirty as you can see. Yeah, I might have forgotten to replace it. And this is the Ioniq 5 air filter. As you can see, it has the Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis logos on it. Let's take it out and pop it in. No rocket science, just keep the airflow arrows down, the wording straight, and this will pop right in. Fits like a glove. To put the cover on, the right side here, you slide that part in first and then push it in, and you will hear it click. And that's it. Let's put the cover back on. There you go. And then the rubber mat, and you're all set. Put your stuff back, and voila, and you're done. And there you have it. This is how you change the cabin air filter of your Kia EV6, and you know which one to use in case you can't find one from your Kia dealer. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.